Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing something different. I don't normally do vlogs, but I figured I would do one today. We are going to be working on my new hutch that I just bought. I'm so excited. If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you've probably already seen it, but I'll show you guys in a little bit. I did just get up. I got the coffee going. I put on a little bit of makeup just so I wasn't scaring you guys. But yeah, I'm just gonna kind of go through our weekend. This may be a Saturday, Sunday thing. It may just be Saturday, I'm not entirely sure. But yeah, I just wanted to do a vlog and just kind of show you guys the new hutch and working on that. Oh my gosh, you guys, my bathroom is a disaster. Maybe I should do a cleaning video too. What are you guys doing? What are you building? Where are you going? Okay, so this is the bookcase that is going to be going bye-bye once we put in the new hutch. I don't show this bookcase often in the videos because I cannot stand it. It's just kind of an eyesore. I have a couple so that was one of my farmhouse mirrors that I made, and the top part came unglued, so I need to...
Are you talking to us?
I'm doing a video. So I need to glue that back, and then this was the little DIY that I made for my husband on our 7th wedding anniversary. I thought that was really cute. So yeah, I'm excited to get rid of this bookcase. I don't know where the girls are gonna store all their blocks. And then this little dresser over here.
Look at me.
Oh my gosh. Oh, okay, yeah. Get to work, kid. Get to work. This dresser I redid recently, and I really like how it turned out. It was like a dark brown color. And my plan is to actually repaint it the same color that I'm going to paint our new hutch so that they match, because they're close together right now. So don't worry guys, this bookcase is anchored in, so it's not going anywhere. Okay, so I've already had my coffee for the day and had some water. I'm about to start dinner in the crock pot, but I just wanted to show you guys this new tea that I have been drinking, and I'm really liking it. I don't know if you've heard of it. It's called Teamy Blends, and I ordered the Profit tea, so it's supposed to be like an immunity booster. Yeah, like I don't know about you guys, but I get sick all the time because of my 2 little ones. So I was hoping that this tea would help with my, I don't know, I don't think my immune system is really bad, but I thought that this would be fun. It has green tea, peppermint leaf, goji berries, red dates. It does have a little bit of caffeine, so I don't know. I didn't have much coffee this morning, so hopefully I won't get jittery. But I don't think it's going to be like crazy caffeine. But yeah, I've been using it for about a week now, and I'm really liking it. I haven't felt sick, but I will say my flippin' allergies right now are horrible. So I just want to show you guys the little cup. Do you hear them talking in there? I just want to show you guys the little cup that I got to go with it. It's super duper cute, and then I'll show you guys how I make it. I don't know if you guys like tea, but I will link down below their website, and they actually sent this to me to check out. So they gave me a code. I think you guys can get 15% off, so I'll put that down in the description box if you guys like tea, if you want to give it a shot. I think they have a really good skinny blend and a colon cleanse. Kind of want to try that one too, but I'm not sure I'll share that with you guys. But yeah, so let me just show you guys how I make this, okay? So our handy dandy little coffee maker over here also has a spot for hot water. So I make tea, so I just open it up, pour a little water in there, and then you just hit on. And then as soon as the water is hot and ready to go, this little guy will stop flashing, and then I can show you guys what we do. So yeah, this is the little cup that they sent me. There's tons of different colors to choose from. I liked the pink one. I thought it was super cute. So it just, don't mind the kids. So it just kind of comes unscrewed like that. It's super easy to clean, and comes with this little strainer thing. So you just put the tea in here, pour the hot water in, put this guy in, let it steep for 3 to 5 minutes, and then you can put your lid on. And they said no need to shake or anything, just let it steep because it's just regular tea. And then I did really like down here at the bottom, this comes off and it's like a little secret compartment for extra tea. Put like protein powder or whatever you want in here. I thought that was cute. Maybe M&M's, snacks. Would that be bad? They smell really good. Like it definitely, you can smell the green tea, but then there's like little berry pieces in there. It's like good stuff. So got that all ready, and then once the water is ready, we will pour that in there and let it steep for a little while. What are you doing? Hello? What are you doing? You want to be in the video? All right, so the water is ready. I'm just gonna pour it on in and then let it steep. So yeah, you can kind of see it. Just let it sit in there, and then you can put the little strainer in there. And then I just leave the lid completely off for about 5 minutes, and then once it's steeped a little bit, then I'll put the lid on. And I'll usually leave the top open a bit because it's super hot and you can't drink it right away. Alright, so I am out in the garage and I'm going to show you guys I bought a new Hutch. I'm so excited about this. If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you probably saw it. But yeah, so I've been wanting one of these for a while, and I found this on Facebook Marketplace. It was $100, and I think it is an absolute steal. So I'm going to show you guys, this is the before. So for those of you that like DIY, like transformation, stuff like that, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the reveal on this. So what I'm showing you right now has not even been touched. I haven't even cleaned it. My husband and I picked it up the other night, and it has been sitting here in the garage. I did pick up some paint, so I know what color I'm going to paint it, but this is it, you guys. Dun dun dun. Isn't it beautiful? Ugh, I'm so excited to get working on this. I mean, it is super nice quality. So it has the mirrors, which I'm not going to be keeping those. And then the glass here, I'm going to try to paint that. I'm not sure if you can paint it with regular paint, but I am going to try. So I have some ideas on what I'm going to do with the mirror. And then I love down here, it's got like the little cabinets and shelves. And then it even has like a little drawer right here. So yeah, this thing is like such nice quality, and I'm so excited that we found it. So I'm going to be working on that a little bit today. What are we doing?
Barbies.
Oh. Kinsley, what is all that stuff?
It's my door.
Oh, okay.
And that's...
So I am going to start dinner. One of my favorite things is to do this ground turkey meat. And then it's still a little bit frozen, so I'm gonna put it in the crock pot on low for a little while, and then smash that all up. And then we'll add a can of Rotel and then some taco seasoning, and we are gonna have tacos tonight. So I just have found that this Rotel really gives the tacos a lot of flavor, and it's kind of my go-to. So here we are, the girls were bored, so we decided to come swimming. And this is like the first official swimming day that we've had. The water is still a little chilly for me, but they are enjoying it.
Sit on here.
Kinsley, what? Arya, get on your floaty.
I want to sit on
Get on your floaty.
by myself. But I do. Don't you? Yeah, I do. Quickly, out of here.
here's a little real time. So remember that tea I made earlier? I totally forgot about it. I ended up laying down on the couch and I fell asleep. So when I went back to it, it was not warm anymore. So I put some ice in a cup and I put it in here and I added a little bit of raspberry lemonade flavor and I made kind of like a little Arnold Palmer, and it is so good. So that's another thing you can do with this tea. Like, it is so good mixed. It's good cold too, so. We have this all moved in the house. So right now this is where we have the Hutch chilling. I am going to work on this part first, the bottom piece, and then get it moved into place, and then we are going to move this bad boy on top of it, and then I'm going to finish up painting. So it's going to be a long night. I think I'm going to go pour some wine. So it is actually 6 o'clock now, and we are going to get the kids fed and put them down for bed, and then I am probably gonna work on this tonight. We just ran to Walmart and I forgot to bring my camera, but I didn't want to show you guys what I bought anyways because it's going to be a surprise. I bought something that I'm going to be using for the Hutch. So I'm so excited. But yeah, if you guys want to see what this Hutch looks like when I'm done, then make sure you are subscribed. I want to get this done as soon as possible just because I'm just so anxious to like see how it looks, and I'm anxious to start putting stuff in it. So, all right, I hope you guys had fun hanging with us this weekend, and I hope you guys are having a great day, and we'll see you soon. Bye.